guys, this is Sanjay here and welcome you all to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you guys how I've achieved this look, and with minimal products. It's like 3 products I've used, and this is the makeup I do on a very daily basis, and it's good for your skin, and the products I've used are really good for your skin and you can use it on a daily basis. So so if you're running late and you want to look more pretty, you can also use these products, so that it's more nice and you look more pretty. So let's just skip directly to the video and see what's going on. So I'm in my bare face now. So now I'm going to use my primer, and I'm using the Max Factor primer. So I'm going to take a little bit of this primer and then I'm going to apply it on my face. It's more important that we apply the primer on the T-zone of the face, because that's the place where we sweat a lot, and the place where the foundation just goes off really fast. So that's very important. And then I'm going to use my foundation on, and I'm using a Kryolan foundation, and it's my favorite foundation. So it is a supracolor technique foundation from Kryolan. It's like this. I'm going to use this foundation on my face now. Okay. I'm going to use my fingers for applying this foundation first, and then I'll just blend it with a beauty blender. I mainly concentrate on the under eye areas because that's more important to show your face more beautifully. So and a little bit on my neck area in order to match the complexion, because this is a daily routine foundation. I'm not gonna overdo my makeup on a daily basis, so I'm just gonna blend this on with the beauty blender. The thing I like about this foundation is very easy to blend, and I really love this foundation only because of that. Even when I'm running late, I just do like this, and it's all done. It's important that you cover your ears also, because to match the skin tone. It's almost done. Blending is very important when it comes to makeup. Proper blending of the foundation, of the contour, whatever you do, proper blending is very important so that your skin looks more pretty. Next, I'm going to take a powder, and this is also from Kryolan, and I'm using the fixing powder from Kryolan, and this is again my favorite. It just helps me to hold the foundation on for a very long time. Just take a very little and tap the excess and go. That's all. Then I always love this Lakme eyeliner, and I'm using this for like more than 6-7 years. Not the same thing, but I'm just using the same brand for like 6-7 years, and I really love this a lot. So I'm going to use this for my eyeliner. So this is my daily routine foundation, guys. I do not overdo. I do not go for contour. I do not go for concealer, and I do not go for eyeshadow either, because it's on a daily basis. So just a foundation and a fixing powder and an eyeliner. It's more than enough. And then do my hair, and I'm perfectly done for my daily routine. So this is the final look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for having a look at my video. And if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel as well. So if you guys have any other doubts, or if you guys want me to do more videos, just comment below so that I know, and I'll just do the videos which you like, guys. So meet you in my next video. Until then, this is Sanjay signing out. Bye.